I'm here to demonstrate a bird call. This will get any bird to call back to you any time of the day, any season, any time of the year. You need your two palms. Place your fingers on top of each other like that. Bring them into a cup. Put your thumbs like so and blow slow. And you'll hear all the birds repeat and talk back to you, and you'll have a good conversation.
Fuck you. Fuck you. You're stupid. Fuck you.
See? Isn't that cool?